Today I'm working on the white engagement photo shoot dress that was brought to me a couple of days ago. The hem needs to be taken up by about 6 inches, and it's an accordion style hem on the bottom. So it is, and I do not have a super duper sewing machine. I'm working with a Singer sewing machine. I don't have a serger or anything like that. So my sewing skills are very rudimentary. And of course I picked up some over the years. But just to show you what I'm doing on this dress, I'm going to lower the camera so you can see. I've measured 6 inches, and I've cut, this is the 6 inches that I've cut. And now I am manually turning this up and pinning. It has to have a very narrow hem simply because of the accordion pleats. Otherwise, the pleats will not fall into place if there is a larger hem. This is what I'm doing, and this is what takes me the most time, is the pinning, the cutting, the measuring. Once I get on my sewing machine, it might take me 5 minutes or so to actually hem this, and then I'll have to press it. So that's just a small example of what I'm doing today. This is the very tiny hem, and of course it has to be that way just because of the accordion pleats. This is the following day, and continuing on with the accordion style dress. I'm about to hem it, so we're going to have a small example of how that's done and how it's going. So here, I think that's a good angle. We'll see. I have to go very slowly because there's so many bins in it. We will just plod on here. I've started at the back, removing pins as I go. And this won't take me all that long. The time spent was the measuring on my customer and then applying those measurements to the dress, pinning, and now sewing. And I will give you a look when it's completed. This is the dress that I've hemmed. It's really cute. She's having a beach photo shoot. And there we are down at bottom, the hem. And as you can see, until I press this, the accordion pleats don't really pleat at the bottom. So I'm going to, tomorrow, press it. And here is the finished product. The dress is really cute. It has a crossover lacing effect in the back and those little puffy sleeves. And the hemline looks really good. I had to press it so that the folds would actually fold in the right direction. So that was a bit of a challenge, but it's really pretty. And it's going to look great on her. And that completes the accordion style dress. I'll give my customer a call, and I'm sure she'll be very happy with it. Thank you for watching so far. Let's see what the next project brings. Please subscribe.